You may have watched many tutorials on YouTube for learning hacking, but none of the tutorials are actually working. So you don't know that how you can start hacking and how you can learn very basic steps of hacking and know that how the hackers get into your computers, mobiles, and even websites, etc. So in this quick video tutorial, I'll let you know a very simple method to start learning the hacking, and you will start from all the basic steps to advanced. So I'm on my mobile, but it works absolutely the same on your laptop, but it will be better if you are doing this on laptop. So first of all, you have to open up your Google Chrome or Safari or any other browser that you use, and after that you have to go to Google and search here hacksplaining and hit the search button, and the very first website which appears up, www.hacksplaining.com. You have to tap onto this website and its home page will be appeared up. You can read all the details of its home page, and after reading all the details on this home page, you have to tap on this get started button available under this description, and it will ask you for creating an account. So you have to simply add your email address here and press the sign up button. An email will be sent to you like this one here. From here you have to tap on get started button. It will ask you for a password. You have to choose a strong password, and after that you are done. Now as soon as your account has been created, you have to log in, and after logging in, you have to tap on these three lines available at the top left corner of the screen and tap on lessons, which is the first option in this list. And here you will start seeing all the very basic lessons that you will need to start hacking. For example, the very first lesson is related to AI, bias and unreliability. The second one is prompt injection, data extraction, SQL injection, and so on. And as soon as you tap on a lesson, for example, here is clickjacking, it will start giving you all the basic details regarding that hacking method. You have to keep tapping on this arrow button for seeing the next pages. It will explain all the things, and during this lesson you can learn coding skills related to that particular topic, and it will also give you some kind of tasks that you can complete to learn hacking. And when you are done reading a lesson, you can go with the next one and so on. So this is a very excellent website for learning the basics of hacking. And if you want to know that how you can hack even without coding, there is a link of a video mentioned in the description of this video. You can go watch out that video, and a process has been explained in that video. Using that trick, you don't even need any kind of coding knowledge for learning the hacking skills. So see you in that video there. Thank you so much.